YouTube, Wayward here, and today I'm going to be doing a reaction video. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be watching cat videos, and the only thing that can honestly make me laugh is cats, because they're just adorable and hilarious. But anyways, enough chat, let's get on with the video, if it'll start. I'm thinking it's the movie Just the Ripper. I'm not sure. Oh my god, this is so cute. There's a cat in the background. Sorry, I love cats, you guys. I want to do this to my cat when I get home today. Oh, it's so cute. Aww. That's so adorable. I remember my cat used to do that. Actually, I'll probably put a video of my cat messing with me when he was a lot younger. I don't know, I might. Oh, it's one of those. I know what these are. Okay, so those things are like little Korean money banks, and you put a little coin on that little circle thingy, and then you press a button, and like a little cat or panda, will like come and grab the coin, and they're so cute. I only recently found out about that like 2 days ago, so it's kind of funny, like ironic that it's like actually in a video that I'm watching right now. No, don't turn off. Oh, it's not even charging, that's why. Damn it. Did it power off? Okay. Sorry, my computer was acting weird. That cat looks really comfortable. Wait, what? I missed that. I'll talk about pampered. The only way the cat can eat. He's like, service. Customer service. Oh my god. Oh, that's so cute. That cat is so chill. Oh my god. I thought cats are smart. That doesn't even look like a cat. It looks like a Pomeranian. Or like a with a squirrel tail. That's actually really adorable. Oh my god, that's a fat cat. My voice. That is such a fat cat. Oh my god. He's like, don't touch me. Okay, how many people here like when they put like subtitles when animals are doing something really stupid and it just makes it super funny? Who here loves that? If you do, like this video, because I love those. I'm honestly hoping that they put one of those in this video, but I don't think they will.
She's earned it.
Is that ice cream or is that butter? Or is it cheese? I'm so confused. I think it's cheese. I forgot what breed of cat that is. I think it starts with an S. I think it's Scovanian or something like that. I'm not really sure. I think it's a cat on a leash. Oh my god. Why? Oh, the doggy just want to play.
You're so tough. You're so tough. Cookie, come up. Cookie, come up. Cookie,
Okay,
come
I'm
up. Why
laughing
are you
on
jumping
this.
beside me?
I love it when kittens do this. This is
Don't
so
hit me.
cute.
Don't hit me.
See, me as a cat owner, if my wait, is it on glass? Or that was on glass. So like, if the cat was in the shower and it like kind of closed itself in there, I'd just turn the shower on and just walked away. Because I'm a mean person like that, but. I hate it when cats do this. Okay, so you guys know how there's like a whole thing on the internet where the toilet paper should be facing away from the wall? This is one reason why you should have the toilet paper facing the wall. So that way your cats don't screw it up. Cause like everyone messes with me like, that I always have the toilet paper end facing the wall. It's like you don't understand. This is what my cat does. It's a necessity to have it that way. So like when they say have your toilet paper facing away from the wall, you don't do that if you have a cat or an annoying toddler or something. Look at this. Honestly, that cat looks kind of like a weasel. I don't know why, it just looks like a weasel. And I just let the cat do it. Oh my god. See, my cat never went through this phase. He was always good from the very beginning. Oh my god, it's water. Oh my god. What is up with this cat? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, my alarm. I am sorry about that one, you guys. Kind of forgot that my alarm would go off right now. Alright, we already watched that. There's no point in rewatching crap that we already seen. You know, some cats are super smart and some cats are super stupid. It's really funny. He's trying so hard to get up there too. Oh my god. I really want to know what's up there and why he's trying so hard to get up there too. Oh, it's his cat treats. Oh my god. I guess that's what they call a cat burglar. But
Right in the middle.
okay, I'll leave now. My jokes are so bad, you guys. I'm sorry.
Okay, not yet. Okay, find it. You can do it.
I love these games.
Okay,
It's gonna be in the middle.
find it.
I'm pretty sure. I don't know.
This one? You sure? She said yes.
Oh,
Oh, she found it.
that's because they can hear the ball rattling around on the floor.
I'm
Like,
gonna do this one more time.
little Jake. I really want to know this accident is, so.
Okay, now let's.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna get it right this time.
There.
Watch.
Found it.
It's in the same spot as it was before.
Again? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Really? Are you sure? Yes? Okay, you're very sure. It's inside.
Aww. See, this video, it says funny cats compilation, but this isn't funny at all. This is really adorable. Next. Oh my god, another 10 seconds of that? Okay, well, since the video is over, I'm not gonna waste you guys' time anymore. Even though you guys wasted your time by basically watching this video. Just so you guys know, I put in most epic funny cat videos, and that's what they came up with. So I'm sorry, you guys, but that was really just a fail. What was I gonna say? I totally forgot. Oh yeah, last night I actually got sleepy, guys, so I'm like super happy today. Actually kind of energetic, but you know, I mean, being bored all day kind of defeats the purpose. So that's why I'm making a video today. And that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Carry on, wayward.